Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So DAX is not really being influenced by what's going on in the US indexes. We are still flirting with the previous all-time high, and you can see prices there right now. We are on the weekly chart at the moment, and there it is there. That's the previous weekly high, which was at 16,303. It may vary on your charts, but it's within that zone. And you can see we've flirted with it. This is the third time that we are testing it. And remember, the number 3 is an extremely powerful number. It's either third time lucky or third time unlucky. So when we start getting down to the 8th hour, we had some buyers come in off the level. And remember what I said yesterday, this is a very strong indicator that the buyers are here. And if we start getting above that, we get a close. There's the close above it. Would have been looking for a move to the upside, and that move has materialized. So right now we are attempting. We do have another all-time high. Sorry, let me just get the daily up here. So that was the previous all-time high last week at 16,430. And we just squirted above it again. Anyway, so that definitely means that the bulls are very much in control of this, although it doesn't seem that way the last couple of days or weeks. So what we're looking for at the moment, if you have a look at the 3 hour, we do have a rejection of this level, which was to be expected. It is an all-time high, so rejection. So we're looking for an area of support. This is the first one at 16,303, which was the previous all-time high, and then this top of range here would be the next level here, and that's around 16,234. I say around because any one of these tails here are going to influence price, and in my experience it's more than likely going to tag that high there, because that has been rejected. If you look back, see there it is there. Rejected 3 times, 4 times, then we get through, down, and then we just bullet through it. So that's the zone I'd be looking for a pullback into. So right now, you can see there was a bit of a sell-off last night with the US session. Whatever was going on in the USA, that was a little bit of a sell-off. And we do have gaps, very gappy as well. Again yesterday, so you can see we got started there, and remember the pullback that we were looking for was basically onto one of these tails here, and we'll look at it on the 15-minute, but I'll just pick up the one that looks like it picked on, which was this tail here. If you look left, you can see there's a whole lot of structure here. It does make sense. So that would have been my first level. There's my second level. There's my third level. Right where the gap was, the opening gap. So that was definitely the opportunity to buy into this. Now, if you start drilling down to the 15-minute, you will see a fairly decent inside bar on that structure. Moving averages all in the right direction. Oscillators separated nicely. All the indications there. That would have been a 55. I would have probably put it below that swing low, 73. 73 pips for a nice strong move to the upside. I wasn't in this. I was on other errands, so this here was a fairly decent entry. Bit gappy, which is a concern, but nevertheless, what we're looking for now during the market open is an area of support. This is the first area of support here, so we'll wait and see what transpires when the market opens. But that's kind of my view on this at the moment. This is onwards and upwards. We are more than likely going to have another 2 attempts at least at 16,430, and if we can just defend 16,300, build a base here, that's going to be the next level for us, and then we are looking for a move to the upside. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Wait for the pullbacks, wait for the structure, buy into it, tight stop losses, looking for inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars, and you can see the power of the pin bars. I think this is the only pin bar on this screen that actually failed, is this one here. see it did get going, but it eventually came back below it. But if you look at all the other pin bars, look at that one, look at that one. There was some more here, there. Look at this one. Look at that one. So anyway, not gonna carry on. Backtesting is the most important skill you can learn. There's two more pin bars. There's another pin bar there, and you learn very quickly which candle patterns, there's another one, are the most important. There's to the bottom, there's another one. Anyway, you'll see the majority of them work out. So that's why whenever I see a pin bar, I'm always looking to jump in. Even if it does stop me out, I know the probability is the next four will win, and the one that did fail is not really that important. Okay, that's kind of me for today, looking for a pullback on structure and looking to continue buying. Hope it helps, and keep those stops tight. We'll catch up with you on Monday. Enjoy your weekend.